Welcome back to my channel. This is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, I am so sorry because I took a little break in the middle because I was not keeping well, and then I was really tired doing things, and I was managing a lot of things. And yes, we'll make a video all about it we'll talk about it in a separate video otherwise. But today's video is a super cool and fun video because it's a haul video. So I'm extremely excited about today's video. Also, I had planned this video like really long back because I've been trying to like collect a lot of things for the haul during the lockdown, but it was not happening because my order got stuck with Ajio, and then a lot of cancellations happened, and yeah, so I went over a couple of problems with Ajio haul. But nevertheless, today's haul is a Myntra haul and also a H&M incorporation with Myntra haul kind of a thing. So I can't wait to start. So I'm just going to skip all the intro and I am going to directly jump onto showing you all the clothes that I have shopped. So guys, if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you took a moment out and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. So starting with the first thing that I purchased, it's this cute little dress. I hope you guys can see it. It's a pink colored dress. Okay, block pink colored dress. Now this one's the only thing that I've got from Ajio, so I'm going to put it inside the description box, and you will also get in the column here, you will also get the detailing for the prices. Okay, how much I got it for. I really love that it is a plain pink color. You would have seen that I've started purchasing things which are plain block colors because you know it becomes very easy to accessorize them, and also it's a mood driven dress, you know. The best part about it is that it gathers around the waist. You will see it when I try it out for y'all. So it gathers around the waist and it's like a A-shaped dress. So yeah, so this is my pink dress, which is from Ajio, not from Myntra, so yeah. Then I have this cute little skirt, okay. So this is the skirt. Now I was looking out for options, so I have like short skirts, I have like mini skirts, but I don't have like midi skirts, and I don't have like knee length skirts. So I thought it's high time that I start, you know, purchasing some knee length options of skirts. So this one's a particular skirt which is a knee length option, and again it's a high waist, gathers around the waist, does not hold you throughout your hips and your legs, so it's very comfortable. At first I thought it's going to be a see-through because the material was quite light, but actually when I wore it, when I try it out, it's not see-through. So I really like that about it. It's not at all see-through, it's very comfortable, very light, so it's a good purchase. The next thing that I got from Myntra is a super fun, super beachy and also very brunchy dress. It's very casual, very summery. Can you see? It's got this printed thing running all over. It also has a bell sleeve detailing, so which is very much in these days. So yeah, so this is a plain simple. Now I am trying to opt for things, you know, if you see that I'm trying to opt for things which are not more towards skin show. Why? Because I want to make my videos more for audiences that are, you know, people who want to go to colleges, people who want more favored for parents, more favored for people who can, you know, travel easily, more things which are comfortable. I don't want to make it more like, you know, uncomfortable, or they think two times before buying it, or something which is not approachable or uncomfortable even to the mind. So I don't want to make my videos uncomfortable or unapproachable. I wanted something that everyone can see, everyone can wear, everyone can be happy with. So you'll see more of the clothes which are like approachable, wearable, easy breezy, everyday clothes. So yeah, this one's also a very everyday type of dress. Really loved it. At first I didn't like it so much. I thought that maybe I had a bad choice, but now I'm actually really liking it. You tell me if you like it or not when you see my try on, right? Alright, the next one is actually a very good buy because I really like it. Now this one's an off shoulder, and I love off shoulders. So I definitely love off shoulders. Whenever I'm looking out for like tops, or I'm looking out for like dresses, I have to pick up one item which is like an off shoulder, because ऑफ शोल्डर ना मेरा फेवरेट है. आपका क्या फेवरेट है? व्हाट इज इट दैट इज योर फेवरेट? एवरीवन हैज अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप, नो? सो व्हाट्स योर टाइप? इफ देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ ड्रेस, टॉप दैट यू एवरी टाइम पिक अप, कोई भी पैटर्न हो, कोई भी अच्छी चीज लगती हो, जस्ट पुट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स सो दैट आई नो, एंड probably we can incorporate it in our haul videos next time, right? Okay, also please do ignore the lighting because शाम हो रही है and I didn't have so much time, so जो time मिला I thought I'll just shoot the video. Okay, so yeah, so this one's an off-shoulder dress, and like you can see there are these leafy prints, brown leafy prints which are running down, and on the off-shoulder panel, this panel here running here, it's running like horizontally. Here it's running vertically, so it gives you a very slim and trim effect. It doesn't make you look bulky at the same time, because it's an off shoulder and your, you know, collarbones are showing, and your, like, you know, elbows are sorry, not elbows, but your shoulders are showing, so you look very feminine, you look very pretty. So I think this gives you a very nice and feminine look, so I particularly like this one. Let me know how it looks in the try on though. Yeah, so this was also a good buy. Then we have is another dress. Also I have not, so when I buy my dresses, generally it's the whites, the yellows, the pinks, you know, you must have seen my hauls. But this time I wanted to go a little contrast, like I wanted to get a neonish color, or I wanted to play around, I wanted to do something adventurous this time. So I went and got this. Can you see how neon this is? Maybe screen में इतना neon नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but this is actually काफी neon. It's like a bhadkila pink. Okay, it's like a pink rani bhadkila pink on a orange. Orange is not neon, but the pink is neon, and it's all over the dress. So again, the best part about this dress is that it hugs you right under your bust. So it's like, you know, right in the middle of your body, and then leaves you loose on your hips. So it's not like, you know, body hugging. It covers your sleeves as in your full arms. So it's great if you want to hide, you know, people who have like huge arms, they want to cover up their arms, it's perfect for them. Or people who have like huge hips and they want to cover up those, it's great for them. Or people who have bulky boobs and they want to cover up that, so it's great for them. So it's basically all in all a very good thing if you have like a problematic area and you want to cover it. This is your go-to dress. I basically just love the color and wanted to just, you know, have fun. So I thought, you know, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास तो क्यों ना try किया जाए. So I got this one. Again, really nice, pretty, and I am so happy with it. Okay, moving on to my H&M buy from Myntra. Okay, so I had basically no leather pants till date. So H&M का जब Myntra पे सेल लगा, I found the best pair of leather jeggings on Myntra. Can you believe it? Like when I saw it, I was like, really? H&M. पहले तो brand देख के I was like, tick. Then I was like, leather pants, tick tick. And then I was like, jeggings, comfortable, tick. So then I was like, मुझे ये लेना ही पड़ेगा, and that's why I got these jeggings. It's obviously in the size small to medium मेरे लिए, but you could go for your sizes, and it was super affordable. I'll obviously put everything in the description box, so आपको मिल जाएगा. You can obviously explore all the items on H&M का website as well. I will try searching for it and putting it from H&M का online shopping portal also, and put it in the description box as well. So it looks like this. I hope you can see it. And when I try it out, obviously you'll get to see it better. But yes, this is how it looks like. And I love it. Look at the shine. And they're super comfortable. ऐसा नहीं कि leather pants है तो they're going to be like tight and super huggy. They're stretchy. They're comfortable. इसमें तो squats भी कर सकते हैं, उठक बैठक कर सकते हैं. Amazing. Alright. The next thing I am so happy about, because मुझे ना कोई भी चीज़ ग्लिटर और ग्लैमरस पसंद ही आती है. तो जैसे ही I saw this glitter thing, in H&M, I was like, मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए this glitter top. I know कुछ लोगों के लिए ये too much glitter हो सकता है, but मेरे लिए too much glitter is always welcoming. I just love it. I just love it. Okay. So basically my birthday is coming. It's less than a month far away. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं मैं ये वाला टॉप अपने बर्थडे के लिए पहनूं. What do you think? Should I wear something shiny and bring in my birthday with all the shine? If you feel so, please put it in the comment box, because I feel like birthdays are supposed to be with full brightness and with full light and full happiness. So क्यों ना I should bring it with this super bright, super shiny. मेरे हस्बैंड को तो ये डिस्को बॉल लगा, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स अ लिटिल लूज फॉर मी. येस, आई थिंक आपको भी लग रहा होगा कि इट मे बी अ लिटिल लूज फॉर मी. येस, इट इज़ अ लिटिल लूज फॉर मी, डेफिनेटली, बट आई डोंट माइंड. थोड़ा सा लूज इज ऑलवेज कंफर्टेबल. इट्स नॉट बैड, इट्स नॉट टाइट, इट्स ऑलवेज कंफर्टेबल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड विद इट. So guys, why waste time? Let's directly move on to the try on. But before that, other than this, I also bought what do you say? Sorry, not two, three shirts for my husband, which of course I don't have them with me because I am at Papa's house, Mummy Papa's house. So because I'm chilling here and I don't have my husband's clothes here, I would have loved to show it to you all, but क्योंकि वो मेरे पास नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूँगी, I will put it in the यहीं पे right after this I will put it in the video just to show it to you all how they looked, from which brands they were, and put the description box in case you're looking out for similar options for your husbands, boyfriends, or your fathers, or your brothers, or any male person in your life. And apart from that, I also got two bralettes, which was one from Ginger and one which again I don't have it here, otherwise I would have shown it to you, which again I will put the link in the description box so that you can always have access to it and you can buy it if at all, and in your size of course. And obviously they won't be a part of the try on. Okay. This one's from the brand Wrong, which is owned by Virat Kohli, and it's a super combination of my favorite color, which is white and yellow. And I think because of the slim fit, it looks amazing on my husband. He's really shy to come and do a try on, but I think if you guys put it up in the comment section, I'm sure I'll be able to convince him to come and do a try on for y'all. So please put it up in the comment section and maybe I can get him on board to do a try on for y'all as well. Okay. This one's from the brand Red Tape, and it's a super cool red color shirt, and it has this detailing of white stripes. So I like visualize my husband wearing it with like blue jeans and white sneakers, and I think it looks amazing. This is actually my favorite out of the three. So yeah. This one's from the brand Roadster. Now, this is a great combination. It's a little different from the other shirts. It has this zip detailing near the collar, and that's the reason why I liked it. Also, because we don't really experiment with such colors like green, so I thought this will be good to add for my husband. So I got this one, and it also has a black color stripe detailing on the shoulder. So yeah, so this is like that, and it's pretty cool, and the fit is also cool, so I like it. Okay, guys, so let's move towards the try on. So guys, this is like my favorite. I think the glitter looks really cool, really classy, and I think everyone should own a piece like this. So if you haven't got a piece like this, I think you should definitely check out the description box and get yourself a piece like this. So guys, I am sure you like the haul and the try on. If you like this haul and the try on, please do hit the like button. Also do comment in the comment box. Let me know what you feel about the haul, what you feel about the try on. Let me know some of your preferences, some of your likes, some of your dislikes. Tell me some of the more things that you would like to see on my channel. It would be of so much help, and I would appreciate doing things that you like and you want to see. So guys, with this we're coming to an end to this video. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now. Till then, stay home, stay safe and happy watching.